this video, I would like to explain how to set up, install API Builder, as I would like to use API Builder for in the next video in order to set up a mock. So API Builder is based on Node.js and NPM, and it's recommended to have the Xway API Management CLI up and running. That's why I called npm install globally to install the Xway CLI, which then takes a while to install all dependencies, and I have done that before. And then the next thing I have done is to install using the package manager the Xway API Builder CLI plugin for the Xway CLI, and then I can go and check if the packages for the Xway or if the package is installed, which it is. So that means I have now the possibility to use the Builder CLI. And with that, I can go and say Xway, then the plugin is Builder, and then I can say init. And now I can say my builder app to set up a new API builder project, my builder app. And then it creates a skeleton project. So that means you see it has now created here in that directory as I was in the root, that builder app, and then it's installing all dependencies. So let's wait a second until, or maybe a few more seconds, that all dependencies are installed. So, okay, and now I can go into that empty, basically empty API Builder project and call npm start. Which gives me, when it has started in development mode, user interface, a user UI over here. And then you can open that on your local machine, and then you have your API Builder development console. And that's all for this video I wanted to show.